The Memory Match game is a great game for events. Everyone loves to see their name on a leaderboard. So this is the Memory Match game, and I'll just point out a few things. On the right, we have the leaderboard. The fastest players will go to the top. There's an up timer and a down timer. So you have a maximum of 1 minute to play the game. Let's just take a brief couple of plays. So you click on any panel and you'll get your name field and your email address. We can add company name as well to this. We'll submit it, and then you start clicking tiles in any order you want. Let's just see if we can get one match. There we go. And so you'll continue through the game until the end. When we initially set you up, you'll receive a system identical to this. From here, you'll find this how-to video, FAQs, support requests, login into the back end, a system to design your game, which is what we'll do right now. This will be a link to the game itself, and it explains that you should be at 1920 by 1080 and use the F11 key to go full screen, and it'll lay out perfectly. And anytime that you would like to empty your leaderboard, you could just click here and follow through. So what we'll do now is design a game. From here, we're going to go to upload images. And this page will show you every single image of the game and what the specs are and what the file type is. Every image is a ping except for the background. There's a couple of pieces of confetti, and this is an optional panel. In the back end, you can set a rule so people can only play once. It's very important to note that as we change images, the old images will stick in the browser. So let's change out a few images. We'll just make it different. This is the leaderboard. So you select the file, press change. The background. We won't do every single image. We'll just do enough to change it. And I believe that'll be enough. So as you see, the images here didn't change. If I hold the control key and press the F5 key, it just pulled in the images, the 3 images that we changed. So now, if we go to view the game, we have a completely different game. We went from this to this in just a matter of minutes. Once your game is designed, you'll log into your backend account, which will bring you to this page. Come here to Games, Game List, and you'll see a testing game running here. And we usually set them up for about 3,000 plays, even if you don't use it. Here you can export your data, email the data to yourself, you can view the data, and then over here what we're going to do is go into Edit. When we set you up, we'll set up this testing game, and we don't use prize levels because this game is a game of skill. If dates are important to you, we can start and stop a game based on the date. If you'd like to stop people from playing over and over again, and also they would be posted to the leaderboard multiple times, we can add a play rule that will stop that. So this allows 1 play per lifetime of this game per email address. And we'll update the game. When it comes time to go live, after testing is done, we just press copy. This will make an identical copy of your game. Come down, we'll create the game. Now we have this new game that's queued and our old game that we want to eliminate. So here we'll just press we'll press archive, and now this game is new, clean, and ready for your event.